Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth problem in Realme Note 50 device. Guys, if you are pairing with any device by Bluetooth and it will not be and you see some problem in it, so if you want to reset the options of Bluetooth or to fix the issues of Bluetooth, all you guys have to do just go to settings. After that, scroll it down. So we have option of systems. Just click on systems and then go to reset option. After that, guys, on the very top, don't worry, we are not resetting our phone, just we are going to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth settings. So on the very top we have this option. Just click here and then click on reset settings. After that, click on reset settings. As you see, network setting has been reset. Now go back and then enable Bluetooth and then pair it to the device. You will, so that your problem will be fixed now. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.